Today we work on this V12 HE 76 here, the first generation of the injection system, which is pretty bad. So the issue here is, I'm suspecting, but probably this the distributor inside the board, and someone installed the later version on fire. This one, the problem here is the car don't want to start, and once it start, it's work for 10-15 minutes, and when it's go hot, it's cut off completely. So now we bought it, the update version, this one, which is I already checked, set up. This is around, with the VAT, 1,000 pounds. So I hope when we install this one, it will work correctly. The procedure is, I have to remove all these components, but firstly I have to put the car on a top dead center, which is cylinder 1 here. The finger have to show this side, and then I have to start. So to find the top dead center is from here, from the bottom. So I'll keep you updated how it's gonna go. Okay, next step, the distributor out. So that's how it looks now. This is our trouble, this board. So hope when we change now with the new one, everything to go clearly working again. So quick check, I check it with the mouth, with the vacuum capsule. It's not working at all, it's not moving this size. So that's probably one of the reasons also for that not working properly. I make sure you not drop something here in this hole, because the adventure will be big after that. So that's the old unit, that's the new updated unit, replace it. So here you cannot see on the book, here on the manual, this one here is not show, but the old unit have this washer, which I've been confused in the beginning. I think this one have to move on this, but I measure it, and both of them with this is same size like here, so I leave it here, not gonna swap. That's how it look, the original old unit. This look old, and probably this is the sugar. Let's see, that's the new one. And quick test on the vacuum capsule, old school with the mouth. You have to see this one if it's smooth. It's smooth, that means work. And this one, I'll demonstrate the old unit. It's not working. So definitely here is some trouble. Anyway, we're gonna change it and we'll see what's gonna happen. One things which I don't like it, you pay so much money, 1,000 pounds for this, and then they send you these small bolts which cannot fit this hole there. That's the original bolt, but the bolt not go in here. So who create this device need to work on this stuff a bit, because the money which you pay is not corresponding to the quality. The new parts is installed, one start and it works. So it's working on the moment. Let's see after the test drive how it's gonna behave. I still need some adjustment here and there. Let's see. Yeah, it's working now. We hope it's not gonna cut off. nearly half an hour now is work, so you know, brakes need work. The odometer RPM not working, probably because it's now is a new ignition system. But this one is inputs.